Hone Health Men's Testosterone Replacement Therapy Program. Is it worth it? Short answer, depends. It costs around $157 a month or more once membership and medication are added together. It is worth it if you want physician-guided TRT with ongoing lab monitoring and home delivery. Skip it if you expect the advertised $28 testosterone price to cover everything. Here's everything you need to know in 2 minutes. Prescription testosterone is not right for everyone and requires medical evaluation and monitoring by a licensed healthcare provider. Here are the 3 things that actually matter about this program. 1. Hone charges a $129 monthly plus membership, while testosterone injections start at $28 a month. That membership includes physician follow-ups, lab monitoring, and treatment management. 2. The medication price is not the full cost. Some patients also need confirmatory testing that adds another $50 at the lab or $80 at home before treatment begins. 3. Many user discussions say actual monthly costs can climb above $200 after membership and medication, and some report shipping or customer service delays. Now let me show you how Hone compares with the lower cost alternative. Hone bundles physician visits, follow-up labs, and medication management into one telehealth system. Hormones for Me, according to user reports, can cost under $100 a month plus separate lab expenses and may offer more pharmacy flexibility. Maximus Thrive is another competitor with community reports around $100 monthly. The trade-off is that Hone handles more of the ongoing monitoring in one place. If someone wants one provider for testing, prescriptions, and follow-ups, that convenience may matter. If the goal is simply finding the lowest TRT cost, competitors could end up being cheaper over time. So is the Hone Health Men's Testosterone Replacement Therapy Program worth it? It depends. It makes sense for buyers who value integrated telehealth care and regular monitoring, but not for those shopping for the lowest possible TRT price. A better option for most budget-focused buyers is Hormones for Me. That is the full breakdown.